People coming into downtown the last few weeks have most likely seen much of the activity going on at the Park Theater. There have been quite a few different crews working on various parts of the building. W&O Construction Superintendent Steve Darrow says it has been very busy around the theater.
Yeah, we've been pretty busy the last couple of weeks. Had a lot of crews in and out. We've got concrete poured under the crawl space for the stage. We've got the floor poured down in front of the stage. All the floor repairs done coming up to the lobby. Got the footings poured for the mechanical mezzanine. And we got the slab poured for the restroom addition.
Crews have been in the theater this past week installing steel for the mechanical area between the lobby and the theater. These new columns will support the weight of 3 large air handling units.
Yeah, I've got the iron crew here. We're putting up the mechanical mezzanine steel right here in back behind us. When they get that up, they will move out to the restroom addition. I've got a small column line and a set of beams to put in out there. And we'll get those, once I have those in place, probably in the middle of next week, my framers will be ready then to start framing the restroom addition.
The new addition for restrooms in the front of the building has brought some challenges, but nothing that can't be worked through.
Right over here, we're grouting this wall. Right down below us is where we're going to be making the opening to get, that will create the opening going into the new restrooms. I have to grout the top 2 foot across that opening solid with grout before I can open that wall up, and that's what we're doing now. We've drilled 1.5 inch holes through the brick into the block cavities. We've drilled them in at an angle so we can pour the grout in, work it in with a piece of rebar, and then when the grout comes up to the top, we know we're full.
The next few weeks will see many new crews on site, so things will really start coming together soon.
Well, of course, like I say, the framers, I've got them headed this way. Our block mason will be starting Monday down in the stage area, taking the proscenium wall up, and then as he goes up with the proscenium wall, my iron workers will come back in and finish setting their iron. There's a lot of iron components that embed into those walls. And we should have, I believe our electrician will have most of his can lights. They're supposed to be in the latter part of this week, which we're in the latter part of the week, so he should have them by now. He'll start doing his rough end. The sprinkler system, it's been approved from the state. They're waiting on their time factor on their Tennessee 1 call, and then they'll be up here first of next week to start on the sprinkler riser.
Park Theater Group President David Martella says that the group is anxious to see the project complete.
I think all the members of the Park Theater Group are excited to see the progress, and we just can't wait to see the finished product and see events being held here and it becoming a part of the revitalized downtown.
Thank you for watching this latest update from the Park Theater Group. Please check back soon on our social media channels for the next phases of construction.